Hi, I'm Naharika Nair, a 17-year-old from Bangalore, Karnataka. I'm a grade 12 student at Ekya School's ITPL who has taken the stream of Humanities plus Design. I'm also the founder of Project Tribali, a social initiative to promote tribal rights. So Project Tribali is a youth-led initiative that's about promoting tribal rights and creating cross-cultural awareness. Its aim is to stand up for the marginalized communities in the tribal areas. We do this through three pillars of income generation, fundamental rights, and cultural preservation. So overall, we've impacted over 10,000 people around various parts of India, but with a particular focus on the southern states of Kerala and Karnataka. Since I was young, my parents have always made it a point that we should cultivate empathy. So every birthday, we'd go to the orphanage to donate charity. But over a period of time, I started questioning why we do that in the first place. Why is it that these orphanages are so dependent on charity in the first place? And then I realized, it doesn't make sense to just try to help the symptoms if we don't go back to the roots of the inequality. So that's how I first got involved with social work. And then after doing more research on the tribal communities and realizing the problems they face, I thought I'd like to help them because it's a world I admire so much. So I'd like to stand up for it. Yes, so I was invited to be a part of the Vanamanvi National Changemaker Showcase at the Rashtrapati Bhavan, and we got to present our projects to the Honorable President of India, and it felt incredible to know that we have done enough work to be acknowledged by the government as well. And it felt like I was not just speaking on behalf of myself, but I was also speaking on behalf of all the communities that I have worked with. So I felt a lot of pride and responsibility to be representing them. So once when my mother and I were visiting a tribal community in Nelliyambati, which is also in Kerala, we had spoken to this one family where the grandfather had injured his leg. It was entirely paralyzed and he could not move, but he was unable to receive any medical treatment because the only way to access a hospital was to take a 2-hour drive from that community. And considering the fact that these communities are deep within the mountains, there was almost no way to get access to any transport to even take that drive. So he had no medical facilities to help him. And this is how I realized that they need better access to these facilities. And I thought about the health camps or the Ayurveda health camps that I held as part of Project Tribali. I definitely think that Ekya offers a lot to students, especially when it comes to fields of social work as well as building your career portfolio. A big example of this would be the service learning program. We set up stalls on Independence Day and sell our products to raise charity for Shankara Eye Hospital so that they can sponsor cataract surgery for the disadvantaged and blind. And I think this gives my classmates and other students a great experience in volunteering work or anything along those lines. And the work exposure program, which facilitates internships with companies, also works with many NGOs, which I think is very helpful when it comes to volunteering. So I have applied to college for the subjects of international relations and diplomacy. Hopefully, I plan to write UPSC and join IFS, Foreign Service. Otherwise, I might just join the UN for humanitarian work.